Hi there. In this video, I am going to outline why I think the area model is the best choice for polynomial division. This is, of course, my personal opinion, but it is based in years of teaching polynomial division to students using a variety of methods. So for some broad reasons, the area model is really space efficient, unlike the long division algorithm. The long division algorithm takes up so much space on the page and requires students line of sight to move all over the problem from the top to the left to the bottom back to the top again, which can be really challenging for a lot of students. The area model works well for all types of division, unlike synthetic division. When synthetic division works, it's fantastic, but when it doesn't work, it either doesn't work or you've got to do gymnastics to make it work, often introducing ugly numbers. The area model levels the playing field and allows students to adapt to all types of polynomial division. The model also works well for multiplying and factoring, unlike the other two methods. So if you commit to the model and you use it to introduce multiplying and factoring, students are able to go into division with a model that already works, unlike, say, doing synthetic, where you have to teach students something that is brand new. And even with the long division algorithm, that will depend on how well they know that algorithm from elementary school, which of course can be shaky. And the model is mathematically sound. It uses the concept of area to visualize the process. So students are able to connect what they are doing with polynomials to what they know from geometry. Now, for some specific reasons with the nuts and bolts, there is no need for space holder zeros, unlike the other two methods. And with these synthetic division, if students leave those out, they can barrel through the whole problem and not even know they've got it wrong. If in the area model, if students establish the right number of columns using degree, then they won't have an issue with that. There's also no need for a subtraction step, unlike the long division algorithm, especially when you're subtracting negatives. It's just inviting all kinds of sign errors that can derail the process. And there's no need to remember how to place the variable pieces, unlike synthetic division, which leaves students with a string of numbers, and then they have to put the x's back in, which is just a whole other spot for them to make mistakes. The area model will provide students with an opportunity to check their work at every single step, so there's much less cause for them to go off track in the middle of the problem. So those are my reasons for thinking that the area model is the best choice. Any teacher is free to disagree, but if you're looking for a way to teach polynomial division to your students, if the methods you've been using haven't been working, I strongly encourage you to try this out.